For you guys, okay? You three. One day I'm gonna cut my hair and come home like this. Like this. Like this. So pretty. Shut. Whee! Lost jar. I know he must be missing me so much now. I know, Pratik. You miss me so much. Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing tiramisu, so let's go. So this is a very basic makeup I do every time, so affordable, but I love it. I do have a lot of dark circle, so I'll be using this Fit Me concealer in shade medium. It's like a perfect match for my skin tone. And sometimes I just don't use this product. I just go with this product only. Now, beauty blender. I know it's dirty, but I'll clean it soon. Look, my base is done. So flawless. So now I'm gonna set my face, especially under eyes, with a baking powder. Again, I use the Maybelline baking powder in the shade light. Yeah, I don't like a matte finish on my face at all. I like it to be a little glowy. I'm gonna leave it to set for 2 to 3 minutes. You guys are blush person. It applies a lot on cheeks and so this blush is so good. Like, it's very expensive. It's around like 3,000 or something. I'm not sure, but it's worth it. Blush from Refrigerate, and this is beautiful. Love the formula. This is in the shade Hope. Love it. Just buy it. I don't take a lot. So I take a very little bit of blush on my hand, like this, and apply it on my cheeks, like this, and on my nose. A little goes a lot. It's too good. I love it. So natural. See guys. Shut. Blush was kind of little. I'm applying a little more. Now. Okay, perfect. I don't do eyebrows at all because I'm very scared. Like, it hurts. So I was saying I don't do eyebrows at all. I usually, use this eyebrow blade to just, remove the excess hair. So I never do it because it hurts me a lot. Once the parlor lady had done her eyebrows and she just ripped off my skin, and my skin is very sensitive. It's like first time when I went to do my eyebrows, two ladies had to hold my hand like I'm giving birth to some child. It was horrible. So never. So I'm doing at home just like that, and I don't trust this parlor ladies on my eyebrows, dude. Like, what if they just do it shapeless? I mean, one eyebrow thin and another. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಆಯ್ತಾ bye. So I was putting my eyebrows here. Guys, tell me one thing. If you are a content creator, like, do you go out of ideas sometimes? Like, you don't know what to do, what to upload? I feel that today. Like, I'm out of content. I don't know what to do, and my entire day goes so bad. Let's be positive, like always. Yes, I think it's done. Yeah, it's time for lips. So Pratik had got this beautiful, gorgeous shade from Japan, and it's from Romand in shade 06. It's a water tint. Wait, I'll just show you guys. So nice, so comfortable on lips. It's a water tint from Japan. a little bit of mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara till date. I hate all the mascara because when I'm applying them, it's all good, but when it's time to remove it, it's so difficult and my eyelashes literally hurts when I remove it. But this mascara, it's waterproof, power lash mascara from Revolution. Yeah, this is the one. Too good. So I'm using this now, and it gives a lot of volume to my lashes. It's too good. I love it. And it's very cheap, 100 to 500. You'll get it for 300 during the sale. Just apply it. So good. So comfortable. Right now I'm feeling a little difficult to apply with. See? Bella. Enna and makeup. Enna and. Alla battal video. Ila barandilla video with your percut skirt. See, look at this. It's so simple, affordable makeup what tutorial. In the end, I just go with this. I love this too, but this I usually apply when there is weddings or functions because it's expensive. So let's go with this one. It gives very glowy finish. I'll just show you. Done. Okay, I spray on the glass. How is my face looking? I'm fine, dude. What do you guys think about my makeup look today? Is it giving? Hell yeah. Now I'll just change my outfit and I'll be right back. Okay? Outfit check, guys. Look at all this. But who cares? My mom is anyways gonna kill me now. I got some sort of allergy. I don't know how. Okay, so now I'm gonna straighten my hair. Straighten time. Straighten that. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, look at my hair, bro. You know what? I just hate my hair. That's why I never leave my hair. I hate my hair. I so want to cut it short, but my dad, my mom, my husband, they will kill me if I do that. They love my long hair, but I hate it. I'm gonna one day for you guys, okay, you three, one day I'm gonna cut my hair and come home like this, so pretty. Okay, got it? Good. Ah, fuck, I burned my leg. Nicola sharper. Oh, you don't like my long hair. Okay, wait. It's so difficult to straighten, man. I don't know how do you guys manage to do it. Ah, Shitanya. Once I'm comfortable in front of the camera, I will not shut my mouth. I know that. That's how I eat my husband's head every day. I know he must be missing me so much now. I know, Pratik. You miss me so much. But it's okay. You need to miss me. I'm almost done straightening. Just do this. Now I'm gonna tie my hair like this, and poof. This. Done. What do you guys think of this look? Huh? Batao na. My favorite perfume from Plum Body Loving. So this is my outfit and we are all set to go. How much do you rate my outfit? So cool, comfortable. My mom is ready. In outfit check, Manpu. That's what my mom is wearing. Tirga. Whee! Bye guys. Nilgiris and zoom on fighting. Nilgiris so lundu. Healthy eating man. Eating pana. Coffee ondu. Sachet. ಒಂಜಿ ಒಂದು ಒಂಜಿ ಅವ ಮೇಡ್ ಚೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡು ಒಂದು ಒಂಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಪ್ಪಾಡದ we are done with our shopping. I'm gonna rapakka change my dress and be right back. I've got the ladyfinger biscuit for tiramisu and whipped cream, condensed milk, mascarpone cheese and coffee powder. Let's do it. So we'll require a choco powder and vanilla essence. Angle is right. Let's prepare. We will open this with cream. Do how to open this one. We'll open this and pour into a glass jar. Okay. I think it's a lot. I'll remove a little from. Wait for it to melt a little. Let's whisk. The consistency is good, as you all can see. So I'm gonna add cream cheese to it. Oh fuck, it's so hard. I'll have to wait until this melts. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of this. 3 tablespoons or more. It just enhances the flavor of tiramisu. Perfect sweet balance. Guys, just look at the quantity now. It's doubled.
Murah nila titin radde.
Dunk it and place it.
Udah tak master. Ada apa saya terila? Ya lu. Udah jadi.
Yummy. Ini perfect ittanda show cupping tiramisu.
Sonde taste ಬರ್ತಿನ.
Wait ಒಂದು
ಅಂದ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಓಡು.
ಮಕೊಂಡ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಪೂರ. ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪೂರ ಪಾಂಡು.
ಅವತ್ತೆ ರುಚಿ ಇತ್ತು.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದಿನ ಶುಗರ್.
ಬಕ್ಕ ಅವನಿ ಕೇಕ್ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡ ತವೇನಿಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಇದ್ದೆ.
So nice.
ನಿಜವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕೇಕ್ ಯಾವ ಈ ಮುರ್ಕವಾದ ನೀರು ಕಪಕ ಕೇಕ್ ಸ್ಪಂಜ್ ದಲ್ಲ ಕಾವು.
And first layer and guys, tiramisu ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಲೆ.
ಬಲೆ ಪನ್ಪಿರ ಬಕ್ಕ ಕಾಲಿ ಮಂದು ಗುಟ್ಪಾಲ್.
ಅವ ಅಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಮಂದು ಗುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಬಕ್ಕ ಬಲೆಗೆ. ಯಾನು ಒಂಜಿ ಪೀಸ್ ತಿನ್ಪತ್ತೆ.
This is called a lady finger. Lady finger. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜನಕಲಿಗೆ ಲೇಡಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪನ್ನಾಗ ಕುಡು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನಿ.
ಅದೊಂದು ಲೇಡಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪನ್ಪಿನಾ? ಯಾಲ್ಲ ಸೈ ಕುಶಲ ಬಂದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ.
ಲೇಡಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪನ್ಪಿ.
ಆತ ಅವಸ್ಥೆ.
Perfect, perfect. Chef Shuru, man. Chef Shuru का कमाल है. On the sugar.
Take milk. ಒಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಆತಾ
Finally. Pooja, Shivani, Aira, everyone, if you want it, pay me. I'll give you. Anyways, Pratik not ready. But the order. Illa batti kuda lemon podiye.
ಈಗ ಮಲ್ತದ ಜನ ಅವಳು ಏನ್ ಸಾತಂಡು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಲ್ಚಲಕ್ಕನೆ ಆತಂದ ಅಂದ ಮಾತ ಸೂಪರ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ ಕೇಕ್ ಮಲ್ಪನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಶೋಕ್ ಆಪು ನಿನ್ನ ಯಾನ್ ಕಲ್ಪದಿ ನೆಟ್ಟ ಅನ್ ಬಾಲಿ
Guys, the tiramisu is ready. Guys, look at the layers. It's come out so perfect. Oh, shock ಆಗ್ತದ ಸೂಪರ್ ಮೋಸಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಶೋಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ